Asomorovelio bwokoligereria na kumurekera magendero ase kaunti ya Kisii insi omugabana bwe kaunti ye Paul Simbarati nigo rero tugucha kumurekera bunge ya Bobasi imeya wodi ya Sameta Mokwerero asense mochipara Nyamokenya Sameta Road nigo yagachirwe chipara chinde ngamona Maya Egesa Road Sameta Primary Riamagara Road Omonyenya Nyansakia Road asense mwechisemi obwagachi bwekerasi kya mwarate ECD nigo bwaelire aboigo nyanuguti ECD nigo bwaelire asabana inchi babwatukire birengereri byabo gosiro kugendereria amasomo.
The head teacher of Nyanuguti DP Junior School and Primary. I'm happy that you have visited our school today on your program to check on county government projects. We are indeed grateful to the county government of Kisii and its leadership for the support that they have given to this school. Like last year, this year, they gave us a project of construction of a classroom for ECD learners, which is complete by now, and the learners started using it in term 2, and we are very much grateful. Even the parents are very grateful to the support that they have received from the county government. I want to thank the county government and want to wish that whatever they have done here, they also do it in other schools.
Obwagachi bwekerasi gya Kenyoro ECD nigo bwaelire asense moya mache asense moya bochenu obwagachi we maternity wing nigo bagenderete
Banyagetario mentie, sabes ya